So this video is going to go over how to edit your chain once you get it imported into a Blender file. So right now I have my chain and I have my path. It's important that you import both correctly because you do need both for it to function correctly. When you move this around Blender, you want to select both of them, because if you select this and then you go and move the curve later on, it causes a whole bunch of warping and issues. So what you're going to do is you select both and then you move it around the map until you get it where you want. You scale it down until you get to the size that you want. I want this kind of small, so I'm going to scale it, move it in front of the avatar. I want it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to scale it some more, move it. Okay, I like the size. I'm going to just move it in front of the avatar a little bit more, and boom. Now, I want to shape it. So to shape it, you just go onto the path, go into edit mode, and move the path around as you want. So I'm going to just put this around her waist as if it's a belt. Though I don't like how it is laid out, so I'm going to press A for all, Control T. So this will tilt all points. So I want to tilt it so it's about there. Now, if I want to select a single point and just tilt that, you can do that too, and you can tilt just that point in the affected area. One thing to note is this can cause warping. So as you can see, this is starting to warp, but it's nice if you want to add some variety. So you go ahead and you move it around, and obviously I don't have enough belt or enough curve to go through this. Let me hide these wings. I need a longer belt and a longer curve. Easy. What you do is you go into the mesh, you go into this, and then you just keep adding some counts. Then you go into your path, you select the endpoint, and you just press E to exclude, and it creates another point. And then just create enough points for it to finally wrap around to where you want. And then you just move things around so that they align. They're not it's not going into objects. Get it all where you want. I want this to align with that. And as you can see, I need more links, so I'm just going to go ahead and go into this, go into there, and add some more. And then I like where it's at. I'm going to go ahead and align this so it's about there, so it looks linked. And boom, now I have a belt. I mean, it looks horrible. I'm doing this fast, but there you go. Now, the thing is to make it work and to finalize this, you're going to need to apply your modifiers on the mesh. Once you do this, though, you won't be able to edit this path anymore with the chain attached. But it also means you can just delete the chain. And the only way you can edit this now is using a sculpt tool, which can cause warping, or going into edit mode and doing each individual link as you want. But that's how you do that.